Good morning students. Welcome back to GK class. I hope all are good. Today let us learn chapter 13 odd ball. Okay. Students please listen. Spot the odd one in each row and circle it. Okay students. See there are three options are given. There are three options given. So out of this one is odd means which is not matching. So one is different. So we have to circle the odd one. Okay students. Okay. So first one Ayurveda, allopathy and homeopathy. Students, we already know Ayurveda and homeopathy are alternative treatment based on medicinal plants. Students, these medicines are prepared by parts of plants. Okay. But allopathy is the main medical system including English medicines, radiation and surgery. Okay students, so this allopathy is the different one, this is the odd one. Okay students, so you can circle on it. Okay, next one Leonardo da Vinci, Florence Nightingale and Raja Ravi Verma. Students, this Leonardo da Vinci and Raja Ravi Verma are famous artist of paintings. Okay students, but this Florence Nightingale is a different one. She is a nurse. Okay students, she was the founder of the modern nursing system. She made a team of nurses to treat the wounded soldiers in Britain. They started the modern nursing system. So this Florence Nightingale is the odd one. You can circle here. Okay. Next, Bharatanatyam, Kuchipudi and Tabla. Students, we already know about it now. Bharatanatyam and Kuchipudi are very famous classical dances. Okay, but tabla is a musical instrument. Okay, so it is the odd one. It is only a musical instrument. Okay, next one rhombus, trapezium and circle. Students, you know about this. This rhombus and trapezium are geometrical figures which have four sides and vertices. Okay, but this circle, what about circle? Circle is a figure of curved shape, curved line are there. Okay, then which has no sides and no vertex. Okay, so circle has no vertex, no sides, so this circle is a odd one. Okay, they have four sides and four vertices. Okay, then next one Rakesh Sharma, C.V. Raman and Vikram Sarabhai. Students, you know about these people. Okay, see these three of them are scientists. Okay, physicist, mathematician. Okay, they three of them are scientists. But this Rakesh Sharma and Vikram Sarabhai are astronomers. What is the meaning of astronaut? Okay, students, astronomer means those who study about heavenly bodies. They are space travelers out of earth. Okay students. Okay, so but C.V. Raman is not an astronomer, so the C.V. Raman is the odd one. Okay students. Okay, now next one see R.K. Narayan, M.F. Hussain and Ruskin Bond. Students, this R.K. Narayan and Ruskin Bond, these both are famous writers. Okay students, these both are famous writers, but M.F. Hussain is an artist of painting. He is an artist of painting, so you can circle here. Okay students. Okay, next one Rahul Dravid, Sunil Chhetri and Bajrang Bhutia. Okay students, Bajrang Bhutia. Students, do you know about these people? This Sunil Chhetri and Bajrang Bhutia are both are professional football players. Okay students, but this Rahul Dravid was a cricket player. You know about the Rahul Dravid, no? He was the captain of the Indian cricket team. So this Rahul Dravid is the odd one. Okay, he is the cricket player. These both are the football players. Okay, next one Sunita Williams, Sunidhi Chauhan and Kalpana Chawla. Okay students, this Sunita Williams is a astronomer and Kalpana Chawla was a astronomer. Okay students, these both are astronomers, but this Sunidhi Chauhan, you know about this Sunidhi Chauhan is a playback singer. She is a playback singer. But these both are astronomer. So this Sunandi Chauhan is the odd one. Okay, students. Okay. Next one. Pratibha Patil, APJ Abdul Kalam, and A.C. Devagowda. Students, you know about these people now. Pratibha Patil was the 12th president of the India. APJ Abdul Kalam was the 11th president of the India. Okay, students. Pratibha Patil and APJ Abdul Kalam was president of India. Okay, students. Then A.C. Devagowda was a prime minister of India. So this prime minister of India, A.C. Devagowda, was the odd one. Is the odd one. Okay, students. Okay. Next, googly, deuce, and full toss. Okay, students. See, you know about this, students. This googly and full toss are terms used in cricket. Okay, students. But deuce is a term used in tennis. Deuce is a term used in tennis. So you can circle on it. Okay, deuce. Deuce is a terms of tennis. These both are terms used in cricket. Googly and full toss. Okay. Next one. Kiran Mazumdar Shah, Chanda Kochar, and Anjoli Ila Menon. Okay, students, do you know about these people? See, this Kiran Mazumdar and Chanda Kochar was the managing director of company. Chairperson and managing director of company. Okay, students. So this Kiran Mazumdar Shah was the managing director of Bicon Limited. This Chanda Kochar was the MD of ICICI Bank. But what about this Anjoli Ela Menon? This Anjoli Ela Menon was one of the Indian artists of painting. So it is a different job. Okay, Indian artist of painting. So this is she is the odd one. Okay, students, Anjoli Ila Menon. Okay, what is the next one? Last one. See, students, Kanchenjunga, Nanda Devi, and Chilika. Okay, students, see, you know about this Kanchenjunga. Kanchenjunga is the third highest mountain in the world. Nanda Devi is also as a mountain. It is the second highest mountain in India. So this Kanchenjunga and Nanda Devi are mountains. Okay, students, but Chilika is a lake. So you round on it. Okay, circle on this Chilika because it is a lake. Okay, students. Okay, now you can do it. Okay, good. Students, now let us learn about the next chapter, chapter 14, Men of Science. Men of Science. The world around us changed after important discoveries and inventions in science. Okay, हमारा world change हो गया because of important discoveries and inventions in science. This was possible only after a few great men and women put on their thinking caps and began inventing and discovering things. See, some great men, intelligent people, brilliant people are there. Okay, students. Okay, given below are some of the great men of science who changed the world around us. हमारा world को इन लोग change किया. Okay, because of their inventions, discoveries. Okay, write down their greatest inventions or discoveries with help from the help box. Okay, students. First one. See, Alexander Graham Bell. Students, what is the invention of the Alexander Graham Bell? Telephone. Now you can write it here. Okay, telephone. What is the next? Second one. Louis Waterman. Louis Waterman. Students, what is the invention of Louis Waterman? Fountain pen. It is a special type of pen. Okay, fountain pen. Fountain pen. Next, Charles Macintosh. Charles Macintosh. What is the invention of Charles Macintosh, students? Third one. See, students. Third one. Students, this Charles Macintosh invented waterproof fabrics. Okay, waterproof fabrics. Waterproof fabric means a waterproof coating which do not allow the things to get wet. जो गीला नहीं होता है, ऐसा वाला कपड़ा like neon, like fabrics, resistant from water and wetting. Okay, वो ये waterproof coating. Okay, now you can write here waterproof fabrics. Waterproof fabrics. Okay, students. Next, Benjamin Franklin. Benjamin Franklin. What is the invention of Benjamin Franklin? Electricity. Very, very important invention. Okay, electricity. Then, Thomas Alva Edison. Thomas Alva Edison. What is the invention of Thomas Alva Edison? Light bulb. Okay, हमारा जो bulb है. Okay, light bulb. Next, Edward Jenner. Okay, Edward Jenner invented smallpox vaccine. ये vaccine इन्होंने invent किया. Okay, students, smallpox. What is smallpox invention? Smallpox vaccine means it is a type of disease. छोटा छोटा जो pimples आ जाता है. Okay, it was very dangerous. Now it has vaccine. Okay, students, smallpox vaccine invented Edward Jenner. Then Isaac Newton, very familiar name. Okay, students, Isaac Newton invented gravity. You know what is gravity? Gravity means the force of the things, the force which pulls the object each other. Example, gravity of the earth, because of falling the things. Okay, children, do you know why the things falling? Because of the force of the earth, gravity of the earth. Okay, students, now you can write it down. Gravity. Okay, students, you can fill up it and write it. Okay, good.